So about 3 days ago, I opened my door and I found a door hanger hanging on it. It's from the water company saying you must have a leak because your water consumption is about twice normal. I didn't think much about it. Let me straighten this out here. I didn't think much about it. But I had this patch of grass growing really tall in the backyard. I kept walking by it. I never connected anything with it. All the grass around it was real short because we haven't had any rain in over a month. But this grass here was super high. And then it dawned on me, I've got a leak, underground leak from the water meter to the house, a pipe that runs, main supply line. So I called a plumber, have him come out and give me an estimate to do this job. Now, I could have them dig it up where the leak spot is and patch it. But this pipe was put in 1958. What does that make it, over 60 years old? What am I patching? Something that old and then it's just going to burst someplace else? Besides that, I don't feel like digging anymore and getting in a hole and putting a patch on. Yes, years ago I would tackle that project. Not today. So they give me a price of $2,000 to put a new pipe in. Well, that kind of sounded expensive. But I said to myself, wait a minute. You're making all this money in the stock market. For what? So you can get on your hands and knees and dig a hole and try to patch a pipe to save $2,000? It's ridiculous. That's what the money is for. So I'm going to have them do that job. Let's see how it turns out. But this is a problem when you don't invest for retirement. Things like this come up out of nowhere. A $2,000 expense. And you're living on Social Security and your savings. And all of a sudden, from out of nowhere, you've got a $2,000 expense that's going to reduce your savings. Now, that's why you have to invest.